India is one of the ancient civilizations in the world. With rich heritage and myriad attractions, the country is among the most popular destinations of the world. It covers an area of 32,87,263 square kilometers, extending from snow-covered Himalayan heights of the north to the tropical rainforest of the south, monsoon of the east to the desert of the west. Practically, this country has all major physical features of the earth, that is, mountains, plains, deserts, plateaus, and islands. Other than the physical features, this country has most diverse nuances of cuisines, faiths, arts, crafts, music, nature, lands, tribes, and history. All these things makes India a land of diversity. In spite of being diverse with many languages, religion, caste, there is a feeling of oneness among the people. That is why India's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru used the phrase unity in diversity for the country in his famous book The Discovery of India. So welcome back to Pahar Pani, and today we are counting down our top 10 most beautiful and diverse places in India. Number 10, Meghalaya. Also known as Abode of Clouds, Meghalaya is a hidden gem nestled in the lap of pine-covered Garo Khasi Hills in eastern Himalayas. Well known for Cherrapunji, the place which receives one of the maximum rainfall in the world. Meghalaya can mesmerize you with its hills, valleys, lakes, caves and waterfalls, which when combined with the beautiful clouds give it a very serene, beautiful look. Shillong is the capital of Meghalaya. Shillong has a lot leftover British colonial influence that is evident from the plentiful British architecture. Shillong has been often been called Scotland of the East. Number 9, Varanasi. Varanasi is a holy city, also known as the city of Moksha, located on the banks of the sacred river Ganga. The city is believed to be more than 3000 years old. Varanasi has an important center of learning for ages as well as the chief pilgrimage destination for many Hindus. Varanasi is regarded as a sacred city among Hindus, Jains and Buddhists because it is believed that dying here releases person's souls from the cycle of reincarnation, and the bathing in the river Ganga cleanses one's sins. Probably the most famous sites of the city are Ghats, the series of embankments, steps leading down the Ganga's river where the many people gather to bathe. The oldest main ghat is Dashashamed Ghat. Varanasi is also renowned for its Banarasi silk sari. Number 8, Kerala. Kerala is one of the most picturesque places in India, with pristine backwaters, coconut-fringed beaches, rejuvenating Ayurvedic massage, and colorful festivals. This place is tucked between Arabian Sea and Western Ghats on the Malabar coast, has been blessed with immense natural beauty. Besides serene backwaters and pristine beaches, Kerala is also home to scenic hill stations and numerous wildlife sanctuaries. Kerala is indeed God's own land. Number 7, Hampi. Hampi is a UNESCO World Heritage Site located in East Central Karnataka. It became the pilgrimage center of Hindu religion. It was the capital of Vijayanagara Empire in 14th century. By 1500 Common Era, Hampi Vijayanagara was world's second largest medieval era city after Beijing, and probably India's richest at that time, attracting traders from Persia and Portugal. Ruins of the ancient city, with its number of strikingly beautiful monuments, temples, and places, still tell you the tales of grandeur and magnificence of Vijayanagara rulers. The temples of Hampi, monolithic sculpture and monuments, attract the traveler because of their excellent workmanship. Number 6, Andaman and Nicobar. Known for their picturesque beauty with pristine beaches, azure waters, and verdant forests, Andaman and Nicobar is a little slice of paradise tucked around 1400 km away from east coast of India. The Union Territory comprises a total of 572 islands, only 37 of which are inhabited and few are open to tourists. Port Blair, the capital city of Andaman and Nicobar Islands, is the gateway to archipelago and is connected with various islands via multiple dairy ferries. Havelock and Nail Islands are some of the most famous islands among tourists and is known for pearly white sands, palm-lined shores and offers some of the best snorkeling and diving options in India. Number 5. Run of Kutch. An enormous stretch of white salt that is submerged underwater for 4 months in a year. The Great Run of Kutch in Gujarat is an incredible place to visit in India. It was inhabited by the Indus Valley civilization as well as the Maurya and Gupta empires of India. The brimming profusion of nature's beauty, culture and tradition all together reflect the magnificence of the kaleidoscopic Kutch. The extensive folk dance and music, intricate arts and crafts, gracious people are the specialties of this place. Ran Utsav is an awesome festival of Kutch. It is a carnival of music and dance with the nature beauty of White Ran. During festival night, enjoy a bonfire and watch a folk dance performance under the moonlight, relishing on the tasty, spicy homemade Kutch delicacies. Number 4. Jaisalmer. In the heart of the Thar Desert, Jaisalmer is known as the Golden City for its beautiful sun-soaked sand dunes and exuberant forts. It is located in westernmost part of the Indian state Rajasthan and hugged on west and southwest by Pakistan border. This beautiful city, known for its rich culture heritage and stories of bravery and chivalry of great Rajput rulers. The main attraction in the city is Jaisalmer Forts, which is home to over 3,000 people with shops and old houses on criss-crossing lanes. Enjoy the camping under star sand dunes or go for a camel safari. Jaisalmer impresses its every visitor with an extensive range of cultural offerings. Number 3. Agra. A city immersed in splendid Mughal charm. Agra is a city on the banks of Yamuna River in Agra district of Indian state of Uttar Pradesh. Once the capital of Mughal Empire, Agra is now home to the iconic structure known as the Taj Mahal. The white marble mausoleum of Shah Jahan's beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal was built in 17th century and it is widely regarded as a monument of love. Agra acclaimed of being the only city in the world glittering with 3 World Heritage Sites: the impressive Taj Mahal, magnificent Agra Fort and the splendid Fatehpur Sikri. The fair combination of history, culture, shopping and food lures thousands of tourists including historians and art lovers from all across India and the world. Number 2. Ladakh. The land of majestic snow-capped mountains, serene alpine glacier lakes, enchanting valleys, and ancient colorful Buddhist monasteries. Leh Ladakh is one of the must-visit destinations in India. It is the highest plateau in India with much of it being over 3,000 meters. It extends from Himalaya to Kunlun ranges and includes the upper Indus River Valley. Leh is the main town in Ladakh followed by Kargil. The population of Ladakh is predominantly Tibetan Buddhist and its culture and history are also closely related to that of Tibet. So sometimes it is called the Little Tibet. Pangan Tso is the most popular attraction of Ladakh, which is undoubtedly one of the most peaceful places on the earth. Number 1. Kashmir. Kashmir is the northmost geographical region of Indian subcontinent, located between the Greater Himalaya and the Pir Panjal range. It is one of the incredible places in India. Kashmir is known for its enthralling beauty and rightly nicknamed as Heaven on the Earth. Srinagar is the main city of Kashmir. Enjoy there a peaceful Sikara boat ride on the pristine Dal Lake, surrounded by snow-capped mountains. The splendid handicraft of Kashmir makes it famous all over the world. Pashmina shawls are known worldwide for their design and embroidery. Kashmiris are the most hospitable and loving people. They welcome and help tourists with a generous smile.